हम अपनी सोचों में पता नहीं कराची तक ट्रैवल कर लेते हैं, या हम लोग
It's always either past or
और हमें
future
पता नहीं,
or yes.
ठीक है, हम अपनी सोचों में बहुत आगे चले जाते हैं. एंड यू नो द इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग अबाउट द ब्रेन डज नॉट नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इमेजिनेशन एंड रियलिटी.
Yeah.
सो व्हेन वी आर थिंकिंग, और अगर हम बहुत ही कोई इमोशनल चीज सोच रहे होते हैं, क्यों हम उससे डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं? बिकॉज आवर ब्रेन स्टार्ट्स टू बिलीव इन इट एंड इट्स देन indicates those kind of emotions in our body, right? So with that in mind, what do we do to deal with all of these struggles that we have on stress management, right? What do we do for all of this? One of the things that I've actually seen that works, because many of the family में देखा, the people who have diabetes, when they started doing this, was just move your body for 10 minutes. ठीक है, that is literally आप अपने रूम का चक्कर लगा लो आगे पीछे, ठीक है, या फिर आप अपने घर का चक्कर लगा लो आगे पीछे जस्ट फॉर 10 मिनट्स, ठीक है, या फिर like 3-4 no rounds of the house or something, even that little bit focused after eating, or just a little bit of movement, a little bit of stretching would help. अगर तो वो भी ज्यादा मुश्किल लगता है, and you just want to lie down after you have eaten, which is mostly all of us, ठीक है, what you can do is कि आप एक टाइम स्केड्यूल कर लो, और कुछ नहीं, मिनिमम से मिनिमम, ठीक है, एंड आई रियलाइज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज सुपर मिनिमम. हाउ अबाउट 15 minutes ऑफ स्ट्रेचिंग टाइम वंस अ वीक? ठीक है, इतना तो हम अपने आप से प्रॉमिस कर सकते हैं ना, इतना तो हम अपने लिए कर सकते हैं. अगर हम इतना भी नहीं कर सकते ना अपने लिए, then maybe we need to reflect on our priorities. We need to reflect
Yeah.
on where our values are, where we are spending our time,
And
right?
I'd also like to discuss, just can you just give me 2 minutes? So when we come about physical exercise and uh, anything that could range from just a simple 10-minute stretch to muscle training workout. When you do that, and if you're stressed on that day, especially in that day, you go hit the gym. If not any gym, just go for a walk and just try to see the difference after that. You get your validation from within. You get that particular validation that okay, you're doing great. This is something that you can do. This is something that you can actually implement, and you're doing good for yourself. So I think physical exercise makes you feel like that.
It does.
That's really
It's like,
important.
you're giving a message that
Yeah.
you're doing something for yourself,
Yes.
basically. You're taking an action. And what
Yes.
action कुछ भी हो सकता है. It could simply be just walking after eating, or it could just be walking in the morning or night. It could be stretching before bed. There's so many exercises for that too. And you just need to chat GPT कर लो यार. As if we don't use
Right.
AI. Chat GPT. God.
Okay, Majim, just a reminder, 15 minutes left before the meeting ends.
Oh yeah, yeah. No worries,
Yeah.
no worries.
Right.
So then the second thing is time block your day to avoid overload, right? Because then that would also help you to deal with stress. Now this is for all those students out there, and all those people who might be working remotely, right? Or even during office hours. Block parts of your day, right? And prioritize your time, and honor the blocking that you have made. Okay. And then the other question that was asked was whether is sugar the only cause and direct cause to diabetes. The thing is, sugar plus stress equals to a risk of diabetes. For that reason, your food should be balanced, so that means that you should pair your carbs, your rice, bread, you say cheese with fiber, right? Like eggs. Okay. um, a lot of people who have diabetes, they eat a lot of egg whites, right? That gives them a lot of protein. Now that is
Right.
something really helpful as well, which is something that we can all add to our in our diet. It could be all of other things as well, or बहुत सारी sources of carbs and proteins exist करता है. Again, I would encourage you guys to use AI for it. ठीक है, अब तो हम AI के ज़माने में, हमें AI अपने मुताबिक हमारे resources के मुताबिक हमें बता सकता है. So we have very little excuse for all of this, right? And then the fourth thing is journal. अब journaling का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप डायरी पकड़ के लिखो. WhatsApp has this option for your own chat, right? So
Right.
you can send yourself voice notes, you can send you can type messages there, because हम सारा टाइम फोन यूज करें, ठीक है, हमें टाइपिंग आसान लगता है, so you don't need to write. You can just write like type in your thoughts, whatever's in your mind, because what happens is that जब हम अपना stress share करते हैं ना, तो quite literally हमारी body का cortisol release हो रहा होता है, and we do not have someone all the time talking to us. I will not encourage, मैं disclaimer में दे रही हूँ ये बात, कि AI से बात करो, नहीं करो, प्लीज नहीं करो, दैट
Don't.
इज हार्मफुल, बिकॉज वो आपको कभी भी नहीं बताएगा कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए, आपको हमेशा एग्री करेगा आपकी बात के साथ, वो आपको हमेशा वैलिडेट कर रहा होगा, विच इज गोइंग टू कीप यू स्टक इन दैट लूप, ठीक है, विच इज वेरी harmful for you in the long run, which is not what you want. Because when you listen, when your friends talk to you, they are, they're listening to you, they're validating you, they're giving you that emotional response as well. But not only that, but they give you this guidance and this advice scheme. Maybe you might be wrong as well, which ChatGPT will never do. Okay, so be very cautious of AI use in that regard. Sorry. एब्सोल्युटली, ये तो मैं वो कह रही हूँ ना कि मतलब अगर कोई नहीं लिखना चाहता, ठीक है, और किसी को बहुत ज्यादा है कि it's really hectic for them to write, because there are a lot of people like me, I don't like to write on a journal, okay? I don't like writing, which is why I actually use my WhatsApp ka chat.
Yeah, or if not the WhatsApp chats, if that distracts you from going here and there, there is always a journaling app in your phone. For
Yeah, it
people
does
who are not
exactly that
using,
too.
yeah,
Yeah,
and you can just go to
there's
your
so
app
many
store, go to
apps.
your Play Store.
Hmm.
Yes, there are so many journaling apps that you can, have it in your phone anytime.
Yes, exactly. Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely. Thank you for adding that. So आप
yeah,
कुछ भी करो, लेकिन करो जरूर, ये कहने का है कि do just, like for
yeah.
example, the last thing that you can do is deep breathing. Deep
Mm,
breathing just for a minute. Deep breathe, अगर आप 3 सांसें भी ले लोगे ना, ऐसे करके आपकी बॉडी काम हो जाएगी.
yeah.
सो माई होल पॉइंट फॉर टुडे वाज कि मैं आपको मिनिमम करना बताऊं, ठीक है, ताकि हम वही मिनिमम को पकड़ लेंगे ना, तो वो भी काफी होगा हमारे लिए. That too will help us survive in all of this. That too will help us get to the point where we can start all of it.
Right. So it always starts with the bare minimum, isn't
Yes,
it?
bare minimum.
Okay, should we start getting or do you have any slides left?
Right, just like
Okay,
two more minutes, right?
right, right.
So what, how can you prevent diabetes, especially if you are one? That again would help you, ठीक है. Avoid skipping meals. Why? Because आपके blood sugar mess हो जाता है, आपका जो blood pressure होता है वो mess up हो जाता है, because आप अपनी diet का वो complete नहीं कर रहे हो, क्योंकि फिर उसके बाद क्या होता है, आपकी energy crash होती है, और आप अपने किसी ऐसे time में होते हो जहाँ पर you have to push through it, तो वो body
Yeah,
obviously is going to release sugar into your blood, which is going to help you power through it. पर उसके पीछे की जो cost है, that is really high, right? If you
yeah,
have not eaten food properly, ठीक है. Prioritize rest, ठीक है. Rest बहुत different किस्म के होते हैं. It is unplugging from the social world. It is unplugging your phone. It is turning it off, ठीक है. It is just lying down, closing your eyes. You do not necessarily have to sleep. That's okay. Just resting your body, resting your mind. And then the
yeah,
third and the last thing is emotional regulation. Regulate your emotions. There are a lot of tools online that I would have loved to go into this right now
yeah,
on how to regulate your emotions, but because we're short on time, we will not do it. But I
yeah.
would strongly advise you guys, ऑनलाइन जाओ, regulating your emotions के ऊपर चीजें देखो, आपको बेतहाशा टूल्स मिलेंगे, which is going to help you. Because हमें सिर्फ ये सीखना है कि हम अपने इमोशंस को कैसे रेगुलेट करें, कि इमोशंस हमें नहीं ड्राइव करें, हम इमोशंस को ड्राइव करें, ठीक है.
That's perfect. That's the statement for the day.
Exactly.
Right.
So why does psychology matters in diabetes, right? It matters because आज की दुनिया में हमारे पास short term stressors और ये जो stresses हमारे जो unsaid हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुके हुए हैं, ठीक है. Psychologists can actually help build that resilience, build that awareness on emotions and stress management, right? Because as the newer generation into the workforce, into the student body, हम बहुत ज़्यादा chronic low stress एक्सपीरियंस करें, जो कि अभी हमने
Yes.
पूरे सेशन में बात किया. That is
Right.
where psychology helps. This is where managing these kind of things would help you and mitigating the risk of diabetes. अब ये नहीं है कि अगर तो आपके फैमिली में blood relatives के अंदर diabetes है तो you're not vulnerable to it. You are. It might even increase your risk for it. But again, you can manage it और देखो टाइप 2 डायबिटीज का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको फुल ऑन उसी स्पेक्ट्रम पर हो जाएगा, ठीक है, देयर आर स्पेक्ट्रम्स इन इट एज वेल, एंड यू
Right.
जस्ट नीड टू बी, यू नो, योर देन एम हैज टू बी टू मैनेज इट सो वेल दैट इट डज नॉट हैव एनी इफेक्ट ऑन यू उस तरह से। उसका इफेक्ट का मतलब ये है कि कोई और डिजीज ना हो जाए उसकी वजह से, और कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो जाए उसकी वजह से, ठीक है, उसको मैनेज करना है ताकि वो कम से कम रहे आपकी लाइफ में।
Perfect. I think we had the time. I think we just have 5 minutes. We can take 2 to 3 questions. Everybody, drop your questions in the chat box, and whatever I would feel like is discussing that is important. I would pick up 2 to 3 questions. I would address them to Marjam, and Marjam shall answer them in the time.
There's first
We have
question
time.
there already, so I can answer
Yeah,
that.
right.
So yeah,
Okay.
physical exercise, yes, it helps, ठीक है, लेकिन अगर तो आप रेस्ट नहीं करोगे तो बॉडी को कैसे ये मैसेज मिलेगा कि अब आपका स्ट्रेस वाला टाइम गुजर चुका हुआ है, ठीक है।
Yeah.
सो फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज इज वन पार्ट ऑफ इट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि जब आप मूवमेंट करो, ठीक है, आप खाने के बाद डाइजेशन को हेल्प करो, आप अपने ब्लड शुगर को हेल्प करो, लेकिन उसके अलावा आप, क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी थ्रू आउट स्ट्रेस के अंदर है, सो यू नीड टू गिव योर ब्रेन दिस सिग्नल कि अब सब कुछ सेफ है, ठीक है, अब तुम कर सकते हो रिकवरी पर काम, अब तुम हीलिंग कर सकते हो, इसलिए रेस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है। आई होप दैट आंसर्स योर क्वेश्चन। Yes, the slides will be shared to you.
Yeah, I will share the slides. I will share the slides once.
It is a
Just start dropping in your questions.
Right. So someone asked, is resting and breathing enough to overcome any adverse effects of stress in our body? It is a start, right? And this start is very important. इससे क्या होगा, आपकी बॉडी में रेगुलेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, आपके नई हैबिट्स और पैटर्न्स आ जाएंगे, एंड देन इवेंचुअली यू विल स्टार्ट टू हैव मोर कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म्स एज वेल, ठीक है। तो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी गुड स्टार्ट कि अगर आप इससे यू नो रेस्ट और ब्रीदिंग करो, ब्रीदिंग भी ये वाली नहीं जो अभी हम नॉर्मल करें, ऐसी वाली ब्रीदिंग, ठीक है, ये 3-4
Yeah,
दफा
deep breathing. Yes.
during your day, ठीक है, or in a stressful moment, that is what's going to help you start, एक starting point है ये, ठीक है, that's the first step। उसके बाद you will you know get to that point कि आप इन सब चीज़ों के साथ और भी चीज़ें ऐड करते जाओगे आपके tools के अंदर, ठीक है। How to protect your nervous system? Your nervous system is heavily impacted by stress, ठीक है, तो stress management की जो आज हमने बातें की हैं, and the second thing would be boundaries, ठीक है, boundaries with your family members, boundaries with your friends and your family and your cousins. Boundaries does not mean that you're rude to them. You are there for them, and but you're there for them while listening to your own self. ऑनर करो अपने आप को, कंपैशन शो करो अपने आप को कि अब मेरी पास सो गई है, अब मुझे रेस्ट करने की जरूरत है, अब मेरे से और नहीं लिया जा रहा, अब मैं इस बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहती हूँ, ठीक है।
Yeah. Any of
ये
my
वाली
team members, if you guys have a question, any of the team members, I would request you guys to just drop it in the chat box. Whoever Jameel Ahmed is, you guys can all just drop your questions in the text box. Don't raise your hand. The attendance has been recorded. Fine. Don't ask about attendance questions right now. That's we will see that later. Any questions regarding to diabetes, stress?
that is an extreme reaction to stress, and that might be anxiety for them। first is कि आप you regulate your emotions, ठीक है, आप स्ट्रेस को डील करो, स्ट्रेस की मैनेजमेंट करो, जो आज हमने बातें की आप उनको ये बातें बताओ, पानी पीना उस टाइम के ऊपर, ठीक है, प्रेजेंट में लेकर आओ उनको, जैसे हमने कहा ना कि नोटिस 3 थिंग्स अराउंड यू, नोटिस द साउंड्स अराउंड यू। अगर तो ये याद नहीं रहता तो यही याद रख लो कि ग्राउंडिंग एक्सरसाइजेस, गूगल दैट, ठीक है, grounding exercises that will help them deal with this।
Okay, Sonia Fatima has asked, how can you ensure you are not subconsciously stressed even without any particular reason? Perfect question, Sonia. I think I would like to second that, and I'd like to ask you the same question. How do you identify your subconsciously stressed?
सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, राइट,
Self-awareness, right?
सेल्फ अवेयरनेस के साथ। और वो कैसे आएगी, जब आप जर्नल करने लग जाओगे या आप अपने से बात करोगे, ठीक है, ताकि आपको पता हो कि वेयर यू आर स्टैंडिंग राइट नाउ, आपको क्या इमोशन है। अच्छा, आई विल जस्ट टेक दिस मोमेंट to tell you guys how to regulate your emotions। बहुत सिंपल तरीका, ठीक है, it might sound ridiculous in the start, but trust me, if you do it, it's going to help you, ठीक है, it's proven, it's evidence, empirical evidence भी इसका exist करते हैं, ऑनलाइन चेक कर सकते हो। क्या करो, इमोशन फील हो रहा है ना, उसको बॉडी में आइडेंटिफाई करो, ठीक है। जब गुस्सा आते हैं ना फॉर एग्जांपल, तो कान गर्म हो जाते हैं, या फिर जब बहुत ज्यादा इमोशंस फील हो रहे थे तो आपकी थ्रोट में ब्लॉकिंग हो जाती है।